It's the Yogi MD Toolbox.
Yogi Toolbox, Yogi MD 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 Toolbox.
Got lower back pain? Let's perform 2 core strengthening exercises, forearm plank and Superman. Start on all fours, shoulders over wrists and hips over knees. Squeeze your belly, flatten your back. Press through one heel with toes curled under touching the floor. Switch sides. Make sure you're squeezing from shoulder to belly to hip to heel. Now come down onto your forearms, grab onto your elbows, interlace your fingers, step back again through one heel. Switch sides, exhaling each time you press through your heel and squeezing your belly. Now step back through one heel, then the other. Hover in a forearm plank. Inhale to lift to Superman. Exhale back to forearm plank. Inhale to lower and lift to Superman, squeezing your back and buttocks. Exhale back to forearm plank. Inhale to Superman. See if you can lift a little higher. Exhale back to forearm plank. Make sure your shoulders, hips, and heels are in one straight line. Don't round your shoulders. Inhale to Superman. See if you can lift a little higher, squeezing buttocks and back. Exhale back to forearm plank, and then come back to all fours. Breathe here, flat back. Build your practice slowly. Find what works for you, and see if you can build up to once a day.